3. Hi everyone, welcome to season 1, episode 3 of Mommy and Me Tutorials. We have another question for you on fractions. Would you like to begin?
Sure. Antonio used one half of his money to buy a storybook.
A storybook for himself?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of storybook do you think he bought?
I think it would be on animals.
What do you think is his favorite animal?
His jaguar.
His jaguar. He does love his jaguar. What else did he buy?
And he used 2/6 of the remaining money to buy a gift for Mirabelle.
Ooh, sounds nice. What do you think he bought for Mirabelle?
Maybe some butterfly clips.
Butterfly clips. Why do you think he bought a gift for Mirabelle though?
Because she loves butterflies. As clearly shown in the picture, she is holding a butterfly.
She's holding a butterfly there?
Yes.
And plus he was also grateful to her, right? For
Yes.
helping him, giving him support and encouragement. Okay. So after he purchased a storybook for himself and he purchased a gift for Mirabelle, how much money did he have remaining?
He had $180 left.
What is the question asking us?
How much money did he have at first?
So how much money he had in the beginning? Nope. Okay, so that sounds good. Let's analyze. So this is his wallet. His wallet, the boys carry around a wallet. What did they store the money in? A wallet?
He has a knapsack.
A knapsack, okay. And the question is asking how much money he had in his knapsack
At the beginning.
At the beginning, all right? So he has his money and he's going to purchase a storybook for himself. He spent half of his money on the storybook and then he would have some amount remaining. And after he had this amount, what did he do? He bought
a gift for Mirabelle with 2/6 of the remainder.
Of the remaining money. And after he bought the gift for Mirabelle, how much money did he have remaining in his wallet?
$180.
Well, $180 remaining. So the question is now asking how much he had?
At first.
At first, initially, before he spent any money at all. So how do we analyze this question? What's the first thing we should do?
We should calculate how much money Antonio had remaining after buying a storybook.
Okay, so let's do that. How do we do that?
To find the remainder, you would take the whole or total, right, which is 2/2,
right,
minus 1/2.
That's this half.
Yes. And he remained with 1/2.
Okay. So that's like yesterday, we got the cakes from Auntie S. We'll say Auntie S. And we had 2 slices. So those 2 slices represented the whole, right?
Yes.
Yes. And I gave you half, which was 1 slice. And I ate the other half, which was
another one slice.
So you ate a half.
And you ate a half.
That cake was delicious though. Okay. So after he bought that, he had 1/2 of his money, remaining. And then from this money, he purchased a gift for Mirabelle. Okay, next, what do we do next?
Step 2 is to calculate how much money Antonio spent on Mirabelle's gift.
Okay.
So the question states that Antonio spent 2/6 of the remainder, which is the half. So 2/6 of 1/2 would be divide now.
Let's divide.
Yes.
Divide what?
Divide. So we're going to divide our denominator into our numerator.
Okay.
So 2 divided by 2 is 1.
So 2 divided by 2 is 1. Good.
Yes. And then we're going to divide our numerator. 2 divided by 2 is again 1.
1. Okay.
Then we're going to multiply our across our numerators, then denominators. 1 times 1 is 1. Vinculum. 6 times 1 is 6.
Okay. Great job. So he spent 1/6 of his money
on a gift for Mirabelle.
So far, he has spent a half of his money on a storybook and 1/6 of his money on a gift for Mirabelle. So what can we do next?
Now we can calculate how much money Antonio spent on both the storybook and the gift all together.
Okay. So we need to add.
Yes. So our total spent would be 1/2 plus 1/6. So to calculate this, we will we need to find out what's the LCM, which is the lowest common multiple of both of our denominators.
Okay.
So that'll be 6.
So the LCM of 2 and 6 is 6.
6.
Okay.
So the question you need to ask yourself is how many times can 2 go into 6?
Okay.
6 divided by 2 is 3. So
Okay.
2 times 3 is 6.
So times 3.
Yes.
I'll just put that to the side here. Is that okay?
Yes.
Yeah.
So we do the same to our numerators and we multiply by 3,
So that is 3 multiplied by 1.
which is 3.
So I'll just put times 3 here.
Mhm.
Is that okay?
Yes.
What now?
6 divided by 6 is 1.
Mhm.
So do the same to our numerator.
So what am I putting here? Times
6
1?
times 1.
Are you sure?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Do the same to our numerator, and that'll be 1 times 1, which is 1.
Okay.
So what we would have now is 3 plus 1, which is 4 over 6.
Okay. So the way I would do it is a little bit different. Can I tell them how? So I would say, how many times can 2 go into 6? And that's 3 times. 3 multiplied by 1 is
3.
3. And how many times can 6 go into 6?
Once.
Once. And 1 times 1 is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4 divided by 6. So altogether, he spent
4.
4 6. Great. What do we do next?
So step 4 would be to calculate how much money Antonio had remaining after buying the storybook and the gift.
Okay, so he bought the storybook, he bought the gift. How much money did he have remaining in his wallet?
His
So-
knapsack.
His knapsack. So how do we do that?
So we're going to recall that Antonio spent 4 6 in total.
Okay,
So his remaining money would be the whole, which is 6 over 6 minus 4 over 6, which would give you 2 over 6.
mhm. What do you want to do with this 2 over 6 now?
Now we should break down this fraction to make it easier to work with.
Easier.
Easier.
So break it down, meaning make it smaller.
Smaller.
Smaller means easier. Okay, so how do we break it down?
We're going to divide. 2 divided by 2 is 1,
Mhm.
and 2 divided by 6 is 3.
Got it.
So Antonio had 1/3 of his money remaining.
Oh, that's like today I was eating my bar of chocolate. And did you know my bar of chocolate had 6 blocks? Did you know that? And I ate 2 blocks initially. And after I ate 2 blocks, I realized, wait, no, I ate 2 out of 6. I already ate 1/3. Did you know that?
No, I didn't.
No, because you went
I was at
school. So this third though represents what?
His remaining money, which is
Remaining.
actually $180.
So you're saying that this is a third.
Yes.
What do we do next?
Well, if 1/3 is equal to $180, the total or whole, which is 3 over 3, would be $180.
Wait. So you're saying that this is broken up into 3 parts?
3
3 parts. Why? Because the denominator is
3.
3. So 1/3 means we broke it up into 3 parts. The numerator is one part out of the 3
3.
parts. And 1 part equals to
$180.
So 1/3 equals to $180. Another 1/3 equals to
$180. And the last 1/3 would also equal to $180.
Oh. So what do we do next?
Well, if 1/3 is equal to $180,
We can
3/3,
We can
we can calculate the total, which is 3/3, and that will be 3 times 180, and we will get $540.
So this is actually how much money Antonio had
At
at the
first,
beginning
before he spent any money.
in his not wallet, his knapsack. So he just placed the money just like that in his knapsack, like $100 bills lying all over the place. I don't know.
$100 bills.
$20 bills, $5 bills. I don't know.
Well, no, his mommy, Tia Pepper, gave him the knapsack with the money in it.
So where do you think he got the $540 from though?
His mommy.
All of it? What savings? He didn't save anything.
He saved.
Birthday money.
He saved the
Christmas
$40.
money.
He saved the $40.
He saved $40. And his mommy
His
gave
mommy
him.
gave him $540.
All right. So that is our answer. Initially, he had $540. And from this, half of the money he spent on his storybook, And then he spent from the remaining 2/6 of what was remaining
On a gift from Mirabelle.
of the remainder on his gift for
Mirabelle.
All right. We hope this video helped you a lot, to help you understand and able to analyze the question. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that's all for now. Bye, everyone.
Bye, guys.